Alright guys, well we have a big storm headed our way. It is November 17th, 2015 here in Walla Walla, Washington. And the mountains are already getting lots of snow. You can actually see it from where I'm sitting. And it's supposed to get high gusts of wind. I don't remember exactly how high they were supposed to be, but pretty high. And some snow from what I am hearing. So it's gonna... Winter has arrived sooner than later. We knew it was coming, but unfortunately it is here already. But anyway, that's how we're starting out the day. And it's pretty windy right now, as you can see outside. I'll show you here in a little bit. Skies are pretty dark, as you can see. It's getting pretty gray out there. It is 11:32 a.m. I'm gonna get off of work here a little early today. Mia has an appointment, so I'm gonna get off and head over there for her appointment. And then later today, Max has a concert, his first concert of the year. We'll see that in a separate video. But that's pretty much the plan for today. Get off work here in a little bit, and I'm on my break right now. And then we'll head out, go to her appointment, and just kind of go from there. Look at that. It is storming, and that's where we're headed right now. So we drove around in circles looking for this building because we couldn't find the number. And then we finally saw the building, and the address is right there in really big letters. That's when you know you're getting old. Blow away. You ready, Mia? Again?
Yeah, because because the other people do have homework. It's because I leave class before them.
Cool.
So you'll have 2 days.
This is a big one, some here.
I really want a catfish. I want to get one of these kinds. I love the rocks too. There's one in here.
What's that?
You can see it. He's swimming around. You can see a little fin, like that. And it's right there.
Ooh. Alright, don't blow away.
My poor little kindergartner.
They're adding 3 stories to the hospital. It's even worse than it was earlier.
The doctor, what the heck?
All this is part of the hospital, everything, all these buildings. It's gonna get worse. Mommy had a leaf fly into her eye. Oh, now I just had one flash into my face. That's what I get for making fun of Mom. It feels like I just got slapped. Yeah.
She was standing there. Like, what?
On the ground.
Okay, I'm gonna open your door.
Whoa. You can hear the wind. Sounds like Mommy screaming. Get in the car. We're warming up the car. We'll get the car warmed up for you. There it is. Look at all the branches that have fallen from the tree. One of these trees is gonna go. Oh yeah. Oh, that cable's already dangling.
I know.
Look how low it is.
That's what I'm saying.
Look how low that is.
We're totally losing power for like days on end.
Oh yeah. Well, they're gonna have to call and have that cable looked at either way. That's right above the fence. It's too low.
We don't have anything in the big freezer, do we? You're so excited.
Yeah, the whole fence is shaking, but every time I stop recording, the action starts. Okay, we're gonna go outside in the front. Well, here's the front. Hey, at least we don't have no leaves in the front yard anymore. Somebody must have raked them. How low this cord is right here. Yeah. They're gonna have to call anyway. Once it's open, get that fixed. I think it's even lower than a little while ago. It's almost down to the fence. Just read that it is 77 miles per hour. The wind. I can feel cold air coming through here. I think the power is going to go out. The lights just started flickering. Mommy's scared. Mommy's scared because the power is going to go out. Oh, I think we just lost internet. What are we going to do without internet? Without, oh, we got it. We got it back. Without internet, there is no hope. You excited for your concert tonight?
It's not like any other concert. The other concerts like sat with you guys.
Max has a concert tonight.
Okay.
He's looking forward to it.
Is when we have to be there.
Yeah, we got to be there at 6:30. It's at Kamayakan High School in
Yeah,
Kennewick.
I have no idea where it is, but Mama should know. She works there.
It's right over here. We know where it's at. It's not far from here.
Max, we were supposed to get a map. How much push-ups you can do? No, I'm not doing push-ups.
Okay, this is a video. I meant to take a picture.
Oh, right out again, Molly. Just look.
Still storming.
Against the rail. Against the rail. Really hard. Okay. I'm so glad it did not break. That's like one.
Don't blow away, Mia.
Does it look like it's gonna blow away?
Yes. It does.
Are we all taking one?
Okay. Yeah, I know.
I have to.
Yes, I know.
Please help.
You gotta hold the door open.
It's hard.
Mom's grabbing the car seat. Why are you getting in the car?
Aw, man.
Oh!
I'm in the car. You have lighter cars? No. Get off, Max. You're disgusting.
This is IHOP Candyland.
Yeah, it's like
It's-
welcome
it's-
to Yumville.
This is too big. I need to use something else. How about you use? No, I can't use one.
Whose turn is it, Mia? It's your turn.
Mommy, Daddy. No, I just went.
You went
Why
there,
don't you use sugar?
Oh.
but then I went over here.
Like it's too big.
Stop following me around.
What it is? Here, you use the little one. I'll use the big one.
Okay.
Okay. So, are you going first?
Don't follow me.
Okay, so.
Okay, so you're supposed to place it down in the middle and then let it drop.
Okay. And we each got the same thing that we already got.
Okay.
Mia, count the M's.
Take
No,
turns
I'm not a good
naming
counter.
breakfast
Okay, let's
foods.
count Mia's.
To repeat moves back in
1,
space.
2,
you can't
3,
repeat the same
4,
breakfast
5,
food. Okay.
6, 7,
get to
8,
start.
9, 10, 11,
Cookies
12,
and
13,
milk.
14, 15,
For
16, 17,
breakfast
18,
food?
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
you
27, 28,
move
29,
back
30,
and
31 for Mia.
Okay, now your turn.
What 31?
Eggs.
That's your name.
Waffles.
Okay, now Dad. This is mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Give
22.
times up.
You lost, right? What if they?
Mia got 31, Daddy got 22, so Mia's the champion.
Hash browns.
Oh,
Good job.
man. Mommy, look at. Mommy. Can you say it if it's?
Something. Dear Lord, thank you for this meal. Let it nourish and bless your body.
I wish I was Daddy sometimes.
Are you putting on the rest of your suit or not?
Yes.
Are you going to do that at the high school?
Now I'm Daddy. Now I'm Daddy. Now I'm
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Stormy over here. Oh, 77 miles an hour. You having a hard time walking, Mia?
Yes.
Buckle up. Alright, we're gonna go to that school right over there. That's where Max is having his concert.
Good boy. Good boy. Never do that again.
Here at this high school right here. So blurry though.
There's gonna be other schools, I'm guessing.
Alright.
Look what
Max
I
is getting
found.
ready for his concert. Yep, that's awesome. And it's gonna be, everybody's headed that way, so I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it's that way.
Nice and handsome, but we're going to go potty before.
I really.
Alright, we are at the school. Max is getting ready to go into his concert. And then that'll be a separate video. So stay tuned for that one. Alright, Mia, you ready for the big show? We're ready. So that'll be in a separate video.